Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. So if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen today, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, it has already made a low of around $2730. After that there is a continuous upside. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the close is at around $2736, and the price sustaining this level, we can see it can go further high. Now the price, it's at high of today's high, okay, and the high was around $2745.5. The price has crossed this level and chances can be high it can touch a level of 2747. If the price keep moving over this level, a probability of going towards 2758 will be there. Okay, and if that's sustained, then a further upside movement we can see, because see, there is a pattern forming at this particular level. This is the buy situation. Now this was the level where this was the buy situation. Now this smaller pattern is forming. So if the price keep moving over this level 2758, a further upside towards 2771 we can see. Okay, and this 2790, after crossing this level, it can cross this level because this level is already being tested, so chances of going further upside we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we have seen today, there is an upside, but from last 2 days there is a fall. So probabilities are that if the price started going below a level of 2731, a further downfall we can see, and then it can go below a level of around 2709, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Okay, so there is higher chances of falling further down. Okay, so what we have seen, that the dollar index is already been above a level of $103.6. I'm clearly explaining you that if the price started going over 102, a further upside movement we can see, and it has touched this particular level, chances can be high it can go again above a level of $104.5, which is a half this zone, so there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come fall again below a level of 103.5, and then it can move further low towards a level of around 102, and then to a level of 101.5. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see below a level of 100, so chances of touching 99.5 will be there, and then a further fall we can see. You have to understand that if the price started sustaining above 102, a further upside we can see, but if it started falling below this level, a probability of touching 101.5, then to a level of 100, and a probability of moving further low we can see. Okay, I have to explain you this because you have to understand some of the points. Okay, overall trend you can say there is an upside, so chances of going. Okay, coming back on the gold price, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, chances of going towards 2748 will be there. Okay, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 2758 will be there. Okay, 2758, as I've already explained you, then we can see a level of $2763. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2775. Okay, chances are high that if the price keep moving above that particular level, we can see it will cross a level of 2789, which is a weak resistance, so chances of crossing that level we can see it can touch a level of 2800. Okay, and then we can see level of 2820, and then 2850. So you can trail your SL by $7 or $5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if that didn't sustain, we can see it can come again towards a level of $2731, and if that didn't sustain, okay, this 2729 is already being weak support, so chances are high it will cross this level and can go towards 2724. Okay, and if then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards a level of around $2718, and then a further fall we can see below this particular level, which is $2710. Then there will be a zone breakout, so chance of going towards 2697 we can see, and then a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Understand that when there is a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,